Welcome to TechMirror, the best countertop dishwashers in 2026 that combine compact design, powerful cleaning performance, and energy efficiency. Whether you live in a small apartment, dorm, or simply want a space-saving solution, we have selected the top models for you. Stay tuned to find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Links in the description. Number 5. The Simzlife 16.5-inch Countertop Compact Dishwasher. ZXDW01SWF is a practical solution for modern kitchens that need efficiency without sacrificing space. Finished in clean white, this compact unit measures approximately 16.83 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches, making it ideal for apartments, dormitories, boats, campers, and small homes. Despite its size, it accommodates up to 4 place settings and can handle more than 30 dishes per cycle, including plates up to 10.25 inches. This model features 3 core cycles and 6 washing modes, including normal, fast, glass, baby care heavy duty, and fruit. The fast program completes a wash in just 29 minutes, while the baby care heavy duty mode reaches temperatures up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for sanitizing baby items and heavily soiled dishes. A dual 360-degree spray arm system ensures thorough cleaning from every angle. One of its most convenient features is the dual water supply option. You can use the built-in 5-liter water tank in tank mode or connect the included hose to a compatible faucet for direct water flow. No permanent installation is required, making setup simple and flexible. The enhanced drying function provides 60 minutes of hot air drying, followed by up to 72 hours of automatic ventilation to keep dishes fresh and odor-free. Operating at just 40 decibels, it runs quietly. Certified for safety and energy efficiency, this dishwasher also reduces water use compared to hand washing, making it an eco-friendly and reliable kitchen companion. Number 4. The Dreamsmith Portable Mini Dishwasher CD. BSQ01XW is a compact yet powerful solution designed for modern small kitchens. With dimensions of approximately 16.9 by 17.72 by 18.1 inches, it is about the size of a microwave oven, making it ideal for apartments, dormitories, recreational vehicles, and rental spaces. Despite its compact footprint, it accommodates up to 4 place settings, holding as many as 54 pieces including 10-inch plates, which is impressive for a countertop model. This dishwasher features 7 specialized wash programs, including intensive and baby care modes that operate at temperatures up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. These high-temperature settings provide deep cleaning and effective sterilization for heavily soiled dishes and baby products. Additional modes such as Eco, Rapid, Normal, Glass, and Fruit offer flexibility for various cleaning needs, allowing one appliance to handle dishwashing, fruit and vegetable rinsing, and bottle disinfection. Equipped with an advanced 3-core spray arm system, the unit delivers 360-degree high-pressure water coverage. This multi-directional cleaning action effectively tackles stubborn grease and food residue. The dual water supply design enhances convenience, offering both a detachable 5-liter water tank and a direct faucet connection with the included hose and valve. The PTC hot air drying system, combined with dual air duct circulation, ensures dishes are dried immediately after washing and remain fresh for up to 72 hours. Quiet, efficient, and versatile, the Dreamsmith Portable Mini Dishwasher serves as a smart and space-saving cleaning center for small households. Number 3. The Farberware Professional 6-piece. Countertop Dishwasher FCD06SDWHT is a practical and powerful solution for households that need full-size cleaning performance in a compact design. Finished in clean white, this portable unit fits comfortably on most countertops or sturdy tables, making it ideal for small homes, apartments, dormitories, boats, and recreational vehicles. Despite its space-saving footprint, it accommodates up to 6 place settings and can handle dishes up to 10 inches in diameter. Designed for convenience, this dishwasher features a quick connect assembly with included accessories and adapters that attach directly to most faucets. Installation is simple and does not require permanent plumbing modifications. Inside, folding rack shelves and a dedicated cutlery basket allow flexible loading for plates, cups, and utensils. With 7 wash programs including Heavy, Normal, Eco, Baby Care, Glass, Speed 45-minute, and Rinse, users can select the perfect cycle for any cleaning need. The Speed cycle delivers clean dishes in just 45 minutes, while the extra drying function adds heat during the final rinse to improve drying performance on select programs. Easy-to-use LED digital controls provide a clear display, along with helpful indicators for rinse aid levels and water supply status. A child lock feature adds extra safety in family homes. Built with a durable stainless steel interior tub, this dishwasher is made for everyday use. It supports pods, liquid, or powder detergents, offering flexibility and reliable cleaning power in a compact, user-friendly design. Number 2. The AIRMSEN 21.6-inch Portable Countertop Dishwasher. WIR4065ANUS is a thoughtfully designed appliance that combines compact dimensions with impressive capacity. Measuring approximately 21.6 by 14.2 by 19.6 inches, it features a slim body that fits comfortably in small kitchens while still accommodating up to 5 place settings. Designed for households of 5 to 6 members, it can hold more than 40 pieces of tableware. With the upper basket removed, it even fits plates up to 11.8 inches, offering added flexibility. Inside, a 2-tier rack system maximizes space efficiency and keeps dishes well organized. The upgraded triple high-pressure spray arms deliver full 360-degree coverage, ensuring thorough cleaning from every angle. A high-temperature hygiene wash reaching 167 degrees Fahrenheit produces steam that effectively sanitizes baby bottles, toys, glassware, and heavily soiled dishes. This model offers dual water supply options for added convenience. Users can manually fill the built-in 5-liter water tank or connect the included hose to a kitchen faucet. The automatic water level indicator ensures proper filling. With 5 washing cycles including normal, delicate, heavy, express 28-minute, and fruit, it adapts easily to different cleaning needs. Operating at just 45 decibels, it runs quietly. The air refresh function provides 60 minutes of hot air drying followed by 72 hours of ventilation to keep dishes fresh. An LED touch display, double-layer glass door, interior lighting, and delayed start timer. Complete this stylish and efficient countertop solution. Number 1. The Danby 22-inch Countertop Digital Control Dishwasher. DDW621DB is a practical and efficient appliance designed to bring convenience to small kitchens. With a footprint of 22 inches, it fits comfortably on most countertops and under standard kitchen cabinets, making it ideal for apartments, dormitories, and other compact living spaces. Despite its compact design, it offers a 6-place setting capacity with a dedicated silverware basket, allowing users to clean a variety of dishes in a single load. This countertop dishwasher is highly water efficient, using just 3.1 gallons of water per normal cycle, making it an eco-friendly choice for households seeking to reduce consumption without compromising cleaning power. It is ENERGY STAR compliant, which helps to lower both energy and water costs over time. The interior features durable stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and ease of cleaning. The unit includes 6 wash cycles, including soak, glass, rapid, economy, normal, and intensive, providing flexibility to handle everything from delicate glassware to heavily soiled pots and pans. An improved spray arm and filter enhance cleaning performance by delivering water coverage from multiple angles. For additional convenience, it includes an automatic detergent and rinse agent dispenser. Additional features include a delay start option of 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours, electronic LED display controls for easy monitoring, and quiet operation at 52 decibels, which is quieter than a normal conversation. The Danby Countertop Dishwasher combines compact size, efficient performance, and modern design, making it a reliable choice for busy households. Thank you for watching our guide to the best countertop dishwashers in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect compact dishwasher for your kitchen, whether you need energy efficiency, quiet operation, or advanced cleaning features. Do not forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals.